पुण्यो गंधः पृथिव्यां च तेजश्चास्मि विभावसो जीवनम सर्वभूतेषु तपश्चास्मि तपस्विषु. Hello friends, this is the ninth shlok of the seventh chapter of Bhagavad Gita, and in today's video we will understand this shlok in detail. So let's first go over its meaning. So the shlok says, Punyo Gandha Prathivyam, which means sweet smell in the earth. Cha Tejas Chashmi Vibhavaso, which means and I am the brilliance in the fire. Jivanam Sarva Bhuteshu, which means I am life in all beings. Tapaschasmi Tapasvishu, which means and I am austerity in the ascetics. So Shri Krishna is continuing to tell that he is the essence behind all the things, and in this shlok he says that he is the sweet smell in earth, and he is the brilliance in fire, he is the life in the living beings, and he is the austerity in the ascetics. So again he is saying that he is the base, or he is the definition which defines all the beings. So as if you were to study the Indian natural sciences, then in that it has been mentioned that the essence of earth is smell. So Shri Krishna is the smell in earth. It is said that the essence of fire is brilliance and also heat. And brilliance and heat is what Tejas has been described as. So Shri Krishna is saying that he is that in the fire. Now, the fire and the earth, their very dharma is basically is smell and brilliance, and so their very dharma is what Shri Krishna is. That is how these elements, they serve others. The fire actually serves others by providing heat and light, and so that is what Shri Krishna is. The earth provides smell to things, so that is what Shri Krishna is. So Shri Krishna is what defines these things and what is the essence of these things. After that, Shri Krishna says that he is the life in the living beings. So all the living beings, they have their body, but that body actually is just something which is made up of hydrocarbons. What really makes the living beings special is the life in them, and so that life is what Shri Krishna is. If the life is not there in these living beings, then the living beings basically become just the elements, and so what distinguishes them is the life, and that is what Shri Krishna is. Similarly, for the ascetics, what makes them special is their austerity. If they are not austere, then they are not really ascetics. So austerity is what describes the ascetics, and that is what Shri Krishna is. So the dharma of the ascetics is to perform austerity, and so Shri Krishna is that austerity. So in all the beings and in all the things, the essence of them, the definition, what describes them is what Shri Krishna is. He is the source of them all, is what he is telling over here. So I hope that I have explained this shlok well to you. With that, I will close this video. I will see you all in the next video. Take care.